ready to transform your designs from concept to captivating presentation. First, open your chosen Mockup PSD file in Adobe Photoshop 70. Take a look at the Layers panel. Located on the right side of your screen, you will see the PSD file's organized layers. Locate the layer or layers specifically labeled for your design placement. These layers are often marked as smart objects or have easily identifiable names indicating the design area, such as design here or place your logo. Double-click these smart object thumbnails. This action opens a new document window where your design is going to be inserted. Here, you can place your new design image. With the window active, insert your design. You can use File Place menu or drag the design directly from the folder into Photoshop. Adjust the size and position of your design within this new window to fit perfectly. Once your design is in position, save the changes using File Greater than Save. Immediately, your design will be updated in the main mockup document. You can also adjust other features within the mockup, such as colors and reflections, for more amazing results. Repeat these steps for other designated spots, such as logo designs and other visual elements. With a few smart clicks, your design now looks polished and professional, ready to impress your audience.